Hello everyone, myself Satyam Kumar. I'm currently pursuing BTech from IIT Gandhinagar in the discipline of electrical engineering. Today we are going to learn about how to construct a binary tree from a in-order and post-order traversal. First of all, we should know what is binary tree. Binary tree is a connection of edges between two nodes. It is a non-linear data structure and it has following properties. One node is marked as root node, and every node other than root is associated with one parent node, and each node can have arbitrary number of child node. But a binary tree is a specific type of tree in which every node has at max two child. It cannot have more than two children. So, and if you want to learn about what is in order and post order traversal, you should check my another video. So let's get started with this problem. This problem is taken from a LeetCode Explorer section. You can find it here. And here there is a question related to the construction of a binary tree. So in this problem here we have given that two integer array in order and post order of the tree, where in order is the in order traversal of the binary tree and post order is the post order traversal of the same tree. We have to construct a binary tree from this two array. So we will use in this to solve this problem we will use recursion, and let me explain using the code. Yeah, first of all, let's see what is given. It is given that two array. So first check if there is an element in the array or not. So if not in order or not post order, and then return none. And if not the if the in order and post order array has some element in it, then we will first notice that the rightmost element of the post order is will be the root of the tree. Because post order is defined as first we check for left of the tree, then right, then root. So the rightmost element of the post order will always be the root of the tree. So we know we will use this information in constructing the tree. So we are here defining the an element and variable root. Let's say root is equals to uh, instantiate the data structure of the tree using tree node, and what should be the value of this root is uh, the post order dot pop. uh, we know how this pop function works. If you don't know how this pop function works, you can just find here pop function. Pop returns the if you are pop is pop item at a given index, then it will return the element of that index. Like if you are using post order dot pop, it will remove the last element of the post order array, and rest will and it will return a array without that element, without that last element. So we have here this tree node which has the value uh, 3 for this example, for this particular example. So now find the find the index of this element in order traversal, because we know that in order traversal, if we know the root of the tree, then we know that the left all the element which is left of this node is will be the left side, will be in the left half of left subtree of the tree, and all the element right of this node will be in the right subtree of the tree. So using this information we will find the index of that node in the in order traversal array. So how we can find that array, how we can find that element is using inbuilt function of Python. So let's say the variable is index equals to, we have to find the index in the in order dot index. What should be the, what's the value? Value would be the root dot val, because here we have defined the what is the root, and the value of root is the 3. So we are finding the element 3 in the in order. So this whole line will, this index will store the value of index of 3 in this array. So now we know the index of the root node in the in order uh, array. So now we know that left part of the array, left part of the array will be in this left subtree of the tree, and right part of the array will be in the right subtree of tree. So we will write root dot right equals to self dot build tree, and we will pass two argument, and that would be in order array. From the right, it will be right of the index element. So index, and post order will be the similarly write the right root dot left equals to self dot build tree, and pass the two argument in order, that is left of the index. So left all the element which is in the left of this index, and pass the post order as it is, and finally return the root node of the tree. Let's see if this works or not. Run the code and we will see if it is working or not. Yes, it is finished, and your answer should be the, our answer is this, and the expected answer is this, and there is no difference. So I guess this is working, and we can submit this, and let's see if it get accepted or not. It get accepted, and I think this is doing fine. For more details, we can here see the what is, how much time it take. Runtime is 136 millisecond, and maybe this we can reduce the runtime if we use some another algorithm. Like in this solution, we are finding the index of the root in an order. We can, and we have to do this every time. So instead of this, we can even use hash table to store the index of every element prior to the calculation. So we don't have to do it in every iteration. I will upload that solution in another video. That solution will use hash map to store the index of the value, index of the root node. For now, that's all. We will see in next video.